Hello, in front of me I've got UleFone Note 13P. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change between light and dark mode, enable or disable automatic switch, and schedule dark mode. Next, you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Then, you can enable or disable night light, schedule it, and change color temperature. In wallpaper, you can change system wallpaper, or from local album. Also, you can enable or disable changeable screen lock wallpaper. In launcher settings, you can enable or disable notification dots for Android system, Gmail, Google Play Store. You can also enable or disable sensitive notifications and hide silent notifications status bar, allow notifications snoozing, and suggest actions and replies. Also, you can manage notification history and bubbles. Also, you can turn on or off add apps icons to home screen, change layout of the display. You can customize app icon, app name, change icon size, change desktop mode, enable or disable easy launcher, change folder thumbnail display, enable or disable app name length, layout lock, and docked app. Then you can change font size, set screensaver, screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, change screen color mode between standard, vivid, and cool color, manage lock screen preferences like notifications on lock screen, and add text on lock screen. Then you can hide notch, find devices to cast screen, and find printing devices. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.